In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up voicemail on iPhone if it says call voicemail. So please watch the video till the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So first we want to do is to check our voicemail. So if in your case when you try to call voicemail it doesn't work, what we want to do is go to our settings and make sure that your cellular connection is not poor and it's good. You want to turn it on and you want to make sure that you do not have a poor cellular connection. So the next step we can do is to turn on our airplane mode. So we want to go to our control panel. So we want to slide from the upper right of our screen, slide down. You want to turn on airplane mode. So, and you want to wait for maybe 10 to 15 seconds, and you want to turn it off again. After that method, we want to force restart our phone. So how do we force restart? What we're gonna do is to first quickly press and release the volume up button, and next quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This force restarts our phone and hopefully fixes your problem. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.